Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your LG K41s, for the first you have to go for the application that you want to use. So I'm going for the YouTube, and right now I'm going back for the main screen. Then I will open Gmail, and right now I'm going to open background applications. So let's swap from the home button and click on the Gmail icon, tap on the multi-window, click on the next, done. And right now from the backgrounds we have to choose the second application, and as you can see, this is how it works. If you want to make the YouTube bigger, hold the Gmail, you have to use this switcher right here, and if you want to close it, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.